Top 5 Best Pool Basketball Hoop. Number 5. Intex Floating Hoops Inflatable. Your little one will adore this soft hoop. This model is low enough to the water for even the smallest players, and the ball has a softer surface than some others on the list, making it perfect for younger swimmers. The maker of this hoop, Intex, is known for its inflatable pool line that sells out year after year. This hoop is made of the same high-quality materials, and it comes with a patch kit, just in case. Coming in number 4. Poolmaster Pro Rebounder. Very few of the poolside hoops available work for both above-ground and in-ground pools, but this versatile basketball hoop fits most. The backboard is just under 3 feet across and just over 2 feet tall, and the base can be filled with sand for maximum stability. The ball is a standard, water-sized ball, easy for one-handed play. The only thing this model can't do is keep score. Coming in number 3. Cool Jam Pro Inground Swimming Pool. A real slam dunk, this in-ground pool basketball hoop is made with a durable resin material, and it's weighted with a water-filled basin at the bottom of the hoop. It's 44 inches wide and 32 inches high, and the solid steel rim is screwed into the backboard with rust-resistant screws. Coming in number 2. SwimWays 2-in-1 Pool Sport Combo Set. Whether your kids want to be the next King James or Gabrielle Reese, or if they just need to be occupied for a few hours, this combo set is just the thing. A cross-pool volleyball net, a poolside basketball hoop, and the balls for both sports come included in this set. It's the perfect height for most ages, at just a few feet above the water, and the volleyball net hugs the surface without sagging into the water. Coming in number 1. Splash Hoop Pro Pool Basketball Hoop. This is one of the highest-rated poolside basketball hoops on the market. It's solid wood and comes with 2 water balls and a pump, so there will be no delay in play due to deflated balls. The entire thing is coated in a finish that makes it water-resistant without compromising the sturdiness of the wood.